Gisnan mga taong payapa, likas na yaman, malawak na kapatagan, kabundukan, masisilayan.
Sariwang hangin, payapang baybayin, haplos ng buhangin at magaganda tanawin, sariling atin.
Welcome to the northernmost and smallest province in the Philippines, Batanes.
Kablaaw kaniyayo amin, naragsak na pasarap umiyamin, sa dinuman na lugar di nagkapwam, patasan met iragsak dito'y Cagayan. Ngayon, ay kanikaw itutong na Cagayano, sa kansikaw may kakwang at sinulay, kulturang makulay,
Sining na mahusay,
libutin na dalawin ang aming paraiso.
One of the attractions here is the ruins of Songsong. It is a ghost barangay and ruin featuring a cluster of abandoned old houses with roofless shells after a tidal wave hit the island of Batan in the 1950s. Another one is the Honesty Coffee Shop, an unnamed refreshment store famous worldwide for showcasing Ivatan's honesty. It is open to buyers who get their goods and leave their payment in a wooden box. The shop allows visitors to make their coffee and indulge in snacks and other goods on sale. And lastly, Samtang Island is one of the most beautiful islands in Batanes, with intermittent sand beaches and is dominated by steep mountains and deep canyons with small level areas sporadically found along the coastline.
Hello dear tourists! Welcome to Cagayan, a place of breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. Explore the stunning Palau Islands, marvel at the wonders of Calao Cape, and cruise along the majestic Cagayan River. Whether you're here for adventure or relaxation, Cagayan has something special for you. One of the known tourist spots in the Cagayan is the Calao Cave, a 7-chamfered cave, and Peña Blanca, Cagayan, boasting massive limestone, 7 skylights, and a chapel. It is also the home to the oldest human remains ever found in the country. Cagayan River, also known as Rio Grande de Cagayan, is the Philippines' mightiest watercourse, the longest and the widest river in the country. Palau Island is also found in the area. It is a 7,000-hectare protected island and serene ecotourism sanctuary famed for its pristine domain, virgin ecosystem, and geological formation, a rich variety of terrestrial and aquatic wildlife, and spectacular landscape found nowhere else. Cagayan Economic Zone Authority 2022. Cagayan Valley also offers other attractions like Benuangan Sea of Clouds and Lower Magat Ecotourism, Alamiti Park and Nueva Vizcaya, Quirino Water Sports Complex, Governor's Rapid, and Aglipay Caves. and campsite in Quirino, and Aguinaldo Shrine and the Giant Butaca in Isabela.
Sa fiesta, masasayang musika. Bawat galaw, ikaw ay mapapasayaw. Dama ang saya.
Ramdam mo bang sayang walang hangganan? Sayang mula sa dagat hanggang kabundukan. Endless ang fun. Tara sa Cagayan.
Laaw kang niyayo amin.
Naragsak na pasarap.